everyone, so today, right, this video I'm going to show you is how to create makeup for spectacle girls. Alright, so if you're spectacle girls like me, okay, I always have to put on lenses for my classes because I'm very vain, okay, but for those people who likes to put on spectacle instead of lenses, right, so here's my makeup for you. I hope that you like it. Okay, good. So first of all, I'm gonna do the foundation primer first. Primer helps to prime your makeup, make it long lasting. Okay, for primer I don't use the whole face, I only use at the T-zone area because it helps to prime your makeup, make it long lasting, reduce appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles, and to okay, so this is done. Alright, so normally, right, if you have already done your mask, right, just put on your neck. It helps to hydrate and brighten up your skin as well. Okay, good. So I already put the primer. Primer helps to prime your makeup, make it long lasting, and reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and to make your makeup long lasting. Okay. Next, right, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give myself a goldish kind of glow. So I'm gonna use my latest Golden Horizon. But if you don't have this one, you can skip. It's just that I like to give myself a golden boost. Okay, and then I will mix with my liquid foundation. So just a little bit goes a long way. So if you have very good skin, okay, you don't have to put too much. So and then in order to make yourself look slimmer, right, you put the foundation only this part, this area. Do you see the difference? Like if you put it only here, right? So the focus is here. You make your face look slimmer. Alright, excess one, just put at the outer layer of your lips. So this is how you make your lips glow in a sense. Okay, cool, great. So next, right, I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of the darker color tone, this one, or you can use your bronzing powder, just a little bit. Okay, just put here. And blend. Create a bit of shading so that your face looks sharper. Can you see the difference? Alright, so and then right, I tend to put a little bit at this part, so it gives a bit of contouring effect. Especially for us Asian, our nose are not so sharp, right? So this will give you the contouring effect. Can you see the difference? And then I'll use a little brush on this bronzer. So it gives a bit of sharper effect. Because you know when you put on spectacles, right, your face actually looks flat. So this will create a bit of dimension for your face so that it looks much more interesting. Alright, good. So next, right, I'm going to do is I'm going to put my loose powder. Just a little bit goes a long way. So my loose powder is only a little bit only, like the T-zone area. That's it. So make sure that it gives a very nice sheen. Cool. Alrighty then. So next, right, I'm just gonna put my eye primer. So make sure when you do your spectacles, right, make sure you have already draw your brows, because brows are very important to shape the frame, to frame the face shape. Then I'm gonna use my eye primer. Okay, this eye primer for my two eyes. Okay, so because when you put your spectacle, right, your eyes may look a bit smaller. I don't know whether you understand what I'm talking about. It's smaller, so you need to make sure that, because some of us are short-sighted, right? So the eyes will the spectacle will make it smaller. So hence, right, since I already put my eye primer, I'm going to use my color. So I choose a very light color. Okay, so pinkish nude or beige nude is fine. See, just simple color like this. Easy. And then if you want to put a bit of shading, a little bit of dark brown color will do. You can come for my class, I teach you how to do a simple eye makeup. A little bit at the bottom. So it's just a little bit brown color, that's it. And then just use your highlighter. Light color will do. And then a little bit in the front. That's it, simple eye color like this. And then just draw your eyeliner. You can choose a pencil, eye pencil if you want to. A thin layer of it will do. Normally for eye makeup, right, if you're wearing a spectacle, you don't have to do that flip. If you don't want, it's up to you. And then you can maybe draw your eye liner, make it slightly rounded so that your eyes look bigger like this. Just a bit longer, just to elongate your eyes a little bit more. Okay, you don't have to use liquid pencil if you don't want to. And then just use a very, some sort of like an eyeliner brush like this, right? Okay, make sure it's clean. And then just brush through so that the eyeliner looks natural. Instead of a defined eyeliner look. Simple and easy. A thin layer of a bit at the bottom. Just like that, good enough. And then you can put a little bit of blusher if you want to. You've already done the highlighting, right? So you don't have to do the highlighting powder or this really. Okay, just a thin layer of the flush color. Smile above the nose line area. That's it. And then a simple lipstick. I'm using apricot. So this is very good. This True Dimension lipstick, right, is actually keeps your lips line free, prevents fine lines and wrinkles. So you can lighten a bit for that light flush look. If you find that it's not enough for your blusher, you can put more here. So it matches. And then you're done. For work, you can go for work with this spectacle. Just a simple eye makeup will do. And then, sorry, my hair is a bit messy, but you can see the effect that you can actually look very good with this makeup. Very simple makeup. So I'm going to comb my hair and show you the complete look. See you later. If you like what you see on this video, and if this video is helpful to you, please share with your friends and then subscribe to our video, and then please tell me what else do you want to learn from me. I'll see you soon in our next video.